Hey guys, Creative Creator here. So I was just making this one. This is a 200 watt LED panel. Each of 100 watt LEDs. One is a cold white and another is a warm white LED. So this is the thing I was making. Hey guys, at first I thought that it was about 12 volt LED panels, but when I examined these LEDs carefully, then I find that it is not a 12 volt LED panel. Those are 36 volt LED panels. Let me show you why. If you see the LEDs carefully, then here you can see the 10 LEDs has each rows and each columns. So there are a total of 100 LEDs. So it means that if one LED is 1 watt, then 100 LEDs will give 100 watts of power. So this is the simple math of these LEDs. So I will basically need a boost converter like this. So this will up the voltage. So previously I thought I will use these type of lipo batteries, but I can't able to power this with a single one because it is 12 volt and these LEDs need 36 volt power. So I will need a boost converter like this, but one problem I find that this boost converter is not good for our work. So I will basically need a good one, I mean high ampere one. So I have ordered 150 watt boost converters from Amazon and I will connect it with these LEDs. So I will update you after that. Hey guys, I have designed an enclosure for this light. So let me show you. So here you can see this is the enclosure I have made. So then I will print it. Hey guys, I just got my boost converter parcel. So here you can see the boost converter. This is 150 watt boost converter. So I will use it for 12 volt to 36 volt conversion for running this. So the plan is I have to attach all these things on this. So I can't connect barely on this. So I will need any material for separation with the metal and the PCB, and like backside this has the PCB also. So for this I have cutted a piece of MDF sheet with jigsaw. So I will use this for the separation. So I will put it here and then I will put all these two converters to connect for connection. Hey guys, I want to control the LED brightness. So here you can see there is a trim pot here, but I want a bigger one. So I just replace with this one, which has also integrated switch for controlling it. So guys, I have just made a rough connection of the circuit. So I have connected this warm white LED with this boost converter, and this boost converter is powered by this 12 volt SMPS. Okay guys, so let's give power to the circuit and I will rotate this potentiometer, and here you can see the light is glowing and this is too much bright. Hey guys, just completed the build. So here you can see 24 volt DC battery is connected with the circuit. So I have also attached two fans for cooling the heatsink, and let's test. Hey guys, one more problem I find on these boost controllers is that it is not providing the given maximum power. I mean the 35 volt output. It is limited to 31 volts. So I have added two capacitors from my old inverter circuit to this circuit. These are 4500 microfarad 50 volt capacitors. These are connected on the output of the LEDs. So this will provide. Hey guys, so I have come to my room for testing these LEDs. So here are two LEDs inside. One is a warm white and another is a cold white for mixing and giving the natural white color. So I will generally increase the brightness of the LEDs, and here you can see the total power of these LEDs. So I will have given the 50% of power, and you can see the trees from far behind are also visible with these lights. So guys, that's enough for this video. I hope you guys like my take on 200 watt LED panel. So if you need a detailed instructions and schematics, then I will add a blog post so it will be more easier for you to replicate. So as that's pretty much enough for this video. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and this is Creative Creator signing out, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace out.